Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. As you can see, my trunk, she is holy. And I don't mean spiritual either. I mean that it is full of rust holes. I thought I might try to make this thing, but it is way too complicated. And then we are going to transform to this. And this is what's going in this place of that. So I found this panel for 40 bucks. Thought it was a spectacular deal. I still got to make a little bit on the side, but that's not near as complicated as all these X's and all this stuff here. So getting ready to get this welded in, and I think it's going to be an easy one. And so come along for the ride, and we'll get this trunk floor put in my 57 210. Take it easy, guys. Talk to you later.